I'm Sarah Yeo reporting from Singapore. Today we have a special segment dedicated to Greece. We'll be talking about interesting facts and statistics from Greece. Now I'll pass the mic to reporter Sarah Hasri, who is currently in Greece. Sarah, on to you.
Hello, I'm Sarah Hasri reporting live in Greece. Acropolis means upper city, and many of the city-states of ancient Greece are built around an acropolis where the inhabitants can go as a place of refuge in times of invasion. It's for this reason that the most sacred buildings are usually on the Acropolis. It's the safest, most secure place in town. In Athens, as in other Greek city-states, the ancient Athenians built temples and monuments on the Acropolis, dedicated to Athena and other ancient Greek gods. So that was a short summary about the Acropolis found in Athens, Greece. Now I shall pass the mic to Dong Ho.
Now I'm going to talk about the natural disaster which recently occurred in Greece. The 2006 Greece earthquake occurred on January 8 at 1:34 p.m. local time and was felt throughout the entire eastern Mediterranean basin. The quake had a moment magnitude of 6.6 to 7.0, and its epicenter was located just off the island of Kythera, some 200 kilometers south of Athens. One person was injured, and a number of buildings and roads in Kythera were heavily damaged as a result of the earthquake. Several older houses on the island completely collapsed, while the central square of the village of Maitata partially fell into the valley as a result of a subsequent landslide. Nevertheless, despite the magnitude and the duration of the tremor, no other significant injury or damage was reported in the country's strongest earthquake in decades. This was mainly because the quake had a focal depth of approximately 66 kilometers. The tremor was felt as far away as in Bari, on the Adriatic Sea, Naples, and much of southern Italy, Cairo, Syrian, and Israeli shorelines. Despite early fears of a subsequent tsunami, no such event was recorded. Okay, now I'll pass the mic to Megan, who is at the city of Greece.
I'm going to talk about the geographical facts of Greece. Greece is located at the southeast end of Europe and is in the southernmost country of the Balkan Peninsula. Greece is referred to as the Southern European country because geographically it is part of this region. With an area of 131,340 square kilometers and a coastline of 13,676 kilometers, Greece is a land of mountains and sea. The population of Greece was calculated as 10 million over in the 2011 census. Now back to you, Sarah Yeo.
But the following commodities: food and beverages, manufactured goods, petroleum products, chemicals, and textiles. The major export partners are Italy, Germany, Bulgaria, Cyprus, United States, United Kingdom, Romania. These have been regular import partners of Greece, with Germany 12.1%, Italy 11.7%, Russia 7.4%, China 5.6%, France 5.1%, and Netherlands 4.7%. The sector suffers from a lack of many natural resources. Approximately 70% of the land cannot be cultivated because of poor soil or because it is covered by forests. Agriculture is centered in the plains of Thessaly, Macedonia, and Thrace, where corn, wheat, barley, sugar beets, cotton, and tobacco are harvested. Greece's low rainfall, its rural land ownership system, and the emigration of rural community into urban areas or abroad are factors that hold back the growth of agricultural sector. In 1998, agriculture accounted for only 8.3% of GDP. We look forward to seeing you again. Thanks and good night.